Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C73 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So just tap on this three bars icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see the second bar is connected with the timer. So just tap on the option you'd like to use. I'll choose 10 seconds. As you can see, it is immediately notified inside the shutter button. So simply tap on it, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, you can of course turn this option off. Just tap on the three bars icon and tap on off. And from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.